Microbiology. Culturing bacteria.
A presentation in Project Scientia. Prepared by Juliana Castro and Angel Sully from Grade 10, Rizal.
Introduction. Did you know that a lot of bacteria are scattered everywhere, even though we don't see them clearly?
There are also ways being used to culture them, but in my own opinion, the Agar plate method is the easiest.
To prove it, we'll try it.
Firstly, prepare the materials that we'll use in this experiment.
Secondly, transfer the gelatin powder into a pot and add the 500 milliliters amount of distilled water. Mix until the powder is dissolved well.